Welcome to Veymax, a brand dedicated to creating exceptional electric skateboards. Our goal is to share the joy of riding with more people. Today, we introduce the Veymax Merlin electric skateboard. Here are its impressive features. Let's discuss the deck. The Veymax Merlin boasts a construction of 2-ply Canadian maple, 2-ply fiberglass, and 2-ply bamboo. This skateboard weighs just over 20 pounds and has a maximum weight capacity of 330 pounds. It offers a bit of flex when you jump on it. The deck measures 37.8 inches long and 9.8 inches wide, featuring a comfortable concave that keeps you secure while carving. Plus, it includes front and rear bash guards, protecting the deck from damage if it collides with obstacles. As for the trucks, the Merlin is equipped with 8-inch reverse King-Pin trucks set at a 45 angle, providing impressive stability. When it comes to the wheels, the Veymax Merlin features 19mm polyurethane wheels, with a 60mm contact patch and a 7/8 durometer. These wheels may be common, but they offer great performance. A wheel that's too hard can lead to discomfort and unpredictable sliding, while one that's too soft compromises control during aggressive carving. This wheel setup allows for excellent traction, giving you confidence in your ride. If you prefer a smoother experience, you might consider the optional Veymax 105mm jelly wheels. Now, regarding the ESC and Remote, the Merlin includes a standard Lingy remote. The display provides all the essential information, including battery status for both the remote and the board, trip and total mileage, speed, braking modes, speed settings, reverse, and cruise control. The Lingy ESC is smooth and responsive, improving upon the twitchiness of earlier models, and it even has a kickstart feature for added convenience. Veymax Merlin is powered by dual belt drive motors, each delivering 1400 watts, which is quite substantial for a board in this price range. This setup ensures a powerful and reliable riding experience. Moving on to the battery, the Merlin is equipped with a Samsung 5OS pack, providing a voltage of 43.2 volts and a capacity of 430 Wh. This powerful battery allows for an impressive cruising range of up to 29 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for longer rides without worrying about running out of power. The Merlin is designed for those new to electric skateboarding and those looking to upgrade from entry-level boards. As an entry-level belt-driven skateboard, it offers incredible value for those transitioning from street boards to belt-driven models. We aim to bring more people into the electric skateboard community through the Merlin, fostering a vibrant culture around this exciting hobby. Veymax believes that every rider can add a unique color to this community. Join us, ride the Merlin, and explore a wider world together.